Hey, hey, fourth grade. Good morning, good morning. So today we're looking at fractions and we have three different objectives. Our first objective is that we can identify the numerators and denominators of fractions, and we can solve simple word problems with fractions, and we can connect fraction models to numerical fractions. Here's a quick funny before we start. What did the triangle say to the circle? Give up? He said, you're pointless. Circles have no points. Triangles have three. You know you love it. So here we go. Let's review numerator and denominator. So the numerator tells the number of equal parts being represented, okay? And then the numerator also has, the numerator here is 2. So there are 2 equal parts represented in this fraction. Here's 2, so it represents the shaded parts, okay? Now, circle the numerator in the fraction. Here we got 3, that's the numerator. Here we got 2, that's the numerator. There are blank pieces represented in the fraction, so the numerator is 3. So 1, 2, 3. 3 of those are shaded. So, okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pieces. You know, that's what happens when you're not paying attention to what you're doing. You got to focus. Focus. All right, so here we go. There are 7 pieces represented in the fraction, so the numerator is 3. There's where you get 1, 2, 3. And then there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is your denominator. This is read as 3 sevens. The denominator tells the total number of equal parts in the whole. So here the denominator is 5, which is on the bottom right here. And the way that I remember denominator is you look down when you look at the denominator. That's how I remember it. So there are 5 equal parts in the fraction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Circle the denominator in the fraction. Here is our denominator. And there are blank total pieces in the fraction, so the denominator of the fraction is blank. So how many total pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So the denominator of the fraction is, there are 7 total pieces in the fraction, so the denominator of the fraction is 7. All right? Now, let's see, we'll come back to that in a little bit. We've got fraction graphing. This is so easy. You can do it. It looks overwhelming because there's a lot there and you see charts and graphs and you think, OMG, I don't know what to do. But I'm about to show you what to do. All right, so here we got 1/2 and 2/3 and 3/4 and 2/5. Do you see what I did there? I didn't even look at my directions, did I? I'm bad about doing that too. So what I'm telling you is you got to make sure you look at your directions, because if you just go straight down here and then you look, you won't know what to do. So the directions say, fill out the graph below to show how many times each fraction appeared. So first we're going to do 1/2. This is 1/2, so I'm going to shade in 1, and it's not going to be the prettiest shade in because I'm trying to save time. And I want to look and see if I see any more halves that has 1/2. Do you see? There's 1. 1/2 is shaded, 1 is not, so 1/2. So I got 2 there. And here we have 1 of 2 pieces shaded. Shaded. All right, let's see if we see any more halves. Yep, there's 1. There's 1 of 2, so that's 1 shaded and 2 total. So there's 1 more. Anyway, you see what you need to do here, okay? And so we have 2 more pages. Fraction word problems. I know what you're saying. Word problems. I don't like them. But these are easy, so let's get started. So in my flower garden, I had 6 rose bushes. So she had how many rose bushes total? 6. And 2 lilac bushes. The fractions of the plants were lilacs. What fraction? So 2 of the 6 were lilacs. I am going to be here and here and here. I want you to do those. If you need me, I'm at small group table. You may come as long as I'm not at small group. So now it says cut out and glue the fraction models to match the numeral fraction. So what you'll do is you'll find all the ones that say 2/3. And so here's a 2/3. So you would cut that one out and it would go here. Here is a 2/3. You would cut that one out and it would go here. Do the same for 1/2, 2/5, and 3/4. Okay, that's all you have to do for this lesson, but there's more.